Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel. And, Microsoft today has felt the need to remind everyone that is still using Internet Explorer that they should stop using it and should move on to something else. Of course, for Microsoft, that something else is the new Microsoft Edge browser. What is happening is that, first of all, Microsoft announced today that anybody using Themes Microsoft Teams to do some online meetings, that it won't or might not work well on Internet Explorer anymore, and that people need to move on to another browser. And, it's part of the steps. In 2021, Microsoft is taking several steps to actually push people away from this. So as time goes by, month by month next year, there are Microsoft services that will stop working on Internet Explorer and not be available. The biggest chunk of that will be in August, when Microsoft 365, all of the services there should be either crippled or stop working altogether if you try to access them with Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is an old browser, and I also think everybody should be moving on to whatever else. I don't have a preference. I love Microsoft Edge, but if you prefer using Google Chrome or Firefox, it's up to you. But it is important to note that this is an old browser and that it is better to move on. Internet Explorer, a lot of people still don't understand why it's part of Windows, but the problem is Enterprise. Enterprise, a lot of them have backends that actually still use Internet Explorer for some services. That's why it's hard to actually remove from the system. Also, Microsoft has said that there are more than 1,200 websites that are now pretty much incompatible with Internet Explorer. And they mentioned many big websites, including some of the Google services, Yahoo, even its own MSN pages. There's a lot of websites that aren't working well with Internet Explorer, aren't displaying correctly, or you're just not working at all. So this is also something to take note. If you have problems surfing the web and you're using Internet Explorer, it's because probably that browser is now too old, and a lot of the websites you visit actually don't work anymore. So, it's another push slowly towards eliminating Internet Explorer browser eventually. This is something that, honestly shouldn't be used anymore. And the need to move on to a more recent and possibly more secure browser anyway is, I think, a good idea. If you're enjoying our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.